apparently all of a sudden the house went blackout. I'm sweating right now. Okay, the house went blackout, so I gotta do a thing with my work, my editing or transferring file. And total darkness. If you guys seen, it's blackout. How come so bright? Because I'm using my Godox AD600PM, the modern light level 3, and my video light LED light with minimum power. So plus with this, and using phone is automatically counter back with ISO setting, something like that. But it's a good opportunity to test something out, because early this week I ordered a torchlight. I ordered torchlight for the purpose, actually for light painting purposes. I was saying I purchased a torchlight for light painting. So all of a sudden it's arrived today and it's blackout in the middle of the night. So yeah, it's a good opportunity to try this out. It's unboxing time in the middle of the night while blackout. So it's good opportunity. It's from Tech, right? Yeah, it's Tech. So let's unboxing this product. I'm not sure the audio is good or not. I haven't prepared. Just finished my shower. Just put my camera, my phone, like, yeah, why not? It's blackout. The model name is Sofirn. The model is SP33V3.0. Yeah. Focus, I guess. Can right. If not, I'm gonna put the link. You guys can check what's that really. Shopee. This guy's very easy going. Same boy. So let's do the unboxing and try. I'm not sure if it's pre-charged or not, but oh, not bad. It's quite big. Okay. Ooh, really heavy, eh? Really heavy. It's not like simple. It's for battery, right? Bukan dia tak pakai bateri ke? Dia pakai, tak salah dia pakai. Oh ya, dia pakai bateri. Bahasa apa ni doh? Hentry Cape Shelter Puff Accord. I'm not sure what. Oh, okay, we got English, sorry. Battery tube, tail cap, switch button, head. Okay, let's try if this already pre-charged. No? Press this long. Or maybe I need to read the manual. Maybe. Let's read the manual, shall we? Is it pre-charged? Not sure. This Chinese. This is English. It's rechargeable. That's good. Wow. Oh, they got something to cover it. So I guess. Oh damn! It's big, man. 5,000 milliamp. 5.5 thousand milliamp. Oh, this big. Actually, the torchlight is not that heavy. The battery is. Okay, let's try this out. I already removed this protective, I guess, for using battery while in postage. Okay, let's try it. Damn, that's bright, man. That's super bright. Not sure I really bright. Yeah, but if not mistaken, it's just. How to open for the second, because this comes with several features. Okay, like low, medium, high, turbo, and strobe. But how I can access them? Press longer. Oh. I guess this is the demo one. Okay, Okay, that just now probably the low, is medium, is high.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, it's total darkness right now. So how the hell I'm gonna hang this thing up? Ooh. Damn, really bright. Oh, this one is the low one. Medium. High. Not bad. It's not really bright. LED light. 5%. You guys can see that. Oh, sorry. That LED light 5%. Oh, we already get the light. Nice. For the sake of video, we turn off the light. Yeah, alright. So that is the, what we call it? Oh, sorry. 5% LED. We go with max. Alright. Oh, nice. Alright, this 100. Oh, sorry. 100%. So let's compare it with torchlight. This is torchlight, same distance, 5%. Really? 5%? Sorry. Oh. Okay, this is a low percent. This is low. It's so low. Ooh. Is this a medium? Yeah, just now it's a medium. Just now the high. No, just now it's just medium. This is the high. Wow, so bright. But just spotted that place lah. But really bright. Okay, let's try turbo. Yup, super bright. Super bright. Let's compare with this. But it's super hot lah. Right. Alright. Damn, it's bloody hot right now. Alright. Let's get back to the video. As you guys can see. Oh damn, I'm sweating. Oh, okay. So it's super powerful. Super powerful compared to normal torchlight. But not as powerful as I expected for 3500 lumen. Probably I guess I need something double of this. But this one is good enough, really decent for light painting upcoming project lah. Probably I'm gonna try it out tomorrow or Monday. Monday cannot, we already start what we call it, traweh. But later on we on the next video I guess. Stay tuned. So far, really good torchlight, Sofirn SP33V3. Can you guys see it? Can right? Alright. Nice price, 3500 lumens, and really bright. Let's try again. Minimum, medium, high, super high. Okay. Nice. Alright, I think you guys can keep up with upcoming video. Subscribe here. I'm not sure if it's here or here. Subscribe, like, comment, or ask anything, whatever you want to ask. And keep update with me through WhatsApp, IG, or Facebook. Alright, bye.